Looking for the best juicers under $100 for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 juicers under $100 that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a juicers under $100 that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended juicers under $100. Number 1 on the list is Breville BJE200XL. The Breville BJE200XL made it to the top as our editor's choice because it is a powerful centrifugal juicer that is easy to use and has features that you wouldn't expect from a product in this price range. We found the Breville excellent at extracting juice from apples and carrots, something that many budget juicers struggle with. The juicer is very easy to clean by hand, but most of its parts are also dishwasher safe. It is very easy to use and disassemble the Breville BJE200XL. And many users liked its sturdy construction that kept the appliance from sliding on the countertop. It's also a very quiet juicer, and even though it only has one speed, it does a good job at extracting juice from just about any type of fruit or vegetable you throw its way. The Breville BJE200XL is made from BPA-free components and has a titanium cutting disc. The machine comes with a 1-year limited warranty and has several safety features, including a safety locking arm. Second on the list is Cuisinart CCJ-500. Our budget pick is the Cuisinart CCJ-500, which is an affordable way to get your juice fix in the morning. This machine is easy to assemble and disassemble and has a spin cycle that allows you to extract the last bit of juice from fruits and vegetables. We found that this machine has a decent juice yield and it doesn't create tons of pulp, some of the features that you can expect to find when buying the Cuisinart CCJ-500 include auto reverse function, extra long snap-up spout, and final spin function. You can use this machine to mangers with different levels of pulp, and we found that the machine is overall very easy to operate and clean. The Cuisinart CCJ-500 may be a bit messy to use because of its design since it doesn't come with a pulp bowl, but it offers very good results for a machine in this price range. The juicer is made from brushed stainless steel and features of BPA-free components. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Number 3 on the list is Bagotte juicer machine. If you're looking for a centrifugal juicer on a budget, the juicer machine's Bagotte offers lots of features that are likely to make it a favorite gadget in the kitchen. Sporting a 350 ml jug and a 1200 ml pulp collector, the juicer allows you to put in a whole apple or pear, without having to cut it in pieces. This juicer has a combined structure, and most users found it super easy to install and clean. The dual-speed design makes it a suitable choice for those who want to use a wide variety of fruit and vegetables. Because it delivers good results with both soft and hard produce, the juicer machine's Bagotte has an anti-drip function so you don't make a mess on the kitchen counter when preparing your juices. In terms of safety features, this juicer has overheat protection, as well as a safety lock design. The 65 mm feeding chute is big enough for entire pieces of produce, so you can reduce prepping to a minimum when juicing. Number 4 on the list is Zulay Professional Citrus Juicer. Manual juicers are a popular option because they allow users to have ultimate control over the juicing process. The Zulay Professional Citrus Juicer is a great option if you prefer manual juicers, as it's super easy to use and allows you to squeeze large quantities of oranges or lemons without too much effort. This is a professional-grade citrus press that uses gravity and leverage to extract every drop of juice from citrus fruit rather effortlessly. All you need to do is cut the fruit in half, position each half, and pull down the handle. Most users who tested the machine and reviewed it mentioned that the Zulay Professional Citrus Juicer does a good job at separating the juice from the seeds. Because this is a commercial-grade juicer, we have found that it's very well built. We particularly liked the rubber feet that keep it in place when in use. Number 5 on the list is Eurolux Electric Orange Juicer Squeezer. The Eurolux Electric Orange Juicer is the perfect appliance to have if you're looking to boost your health by having a glass of freshly squeezed juice every morning. This appliance is a good choice if you're looking for a motorized model that's easy to use. All you need to do to get a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice is to press the handle down to start and release when you're done. This juicer has an integrated filter that captures seeds so you get a clean juice. It comes with a one-size-fits-all juicing cone, and the 160W motor is strong enough to deal with multiple batches of juice one after another when needed. The Eurolux Electric Orange Juicer doesn't have any buttons, and learning to use it is very easy. We liked that the filter is large enough for multiple uses one after another without having to stop to empty it. Just now is a list of 5 best juicers under $100 that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.